Well, good morning, people. Been a while since we've done one of these morning rides, and I don't really have much to talk about except for to just kind of tell you what's been going on. We have had a very interesting start of the year. This is kind of for those of you that missed the live that we did back several weeks ago now. My wife got a new job, and so she was going to her work one day, and I happened to have her car that day because I was getting it serviced, the tires changed, oil, all that stuff. And so she was taking mine. And while she was driving through Atlanta traffic, a manhole cover flew up from the car in front of her and smashed the front end of my car. She was okay, so that's no big deal. We just, take it into the shop, get it fixed. Well, my insurance company, which is Progressive Insurance, called them out, decided they would total the car. And the payoff that they were going to give was well worth it because I knew there was other things wrong with the car as well. So they totaled the car. Instead of buying myself one, I decided, she's been lusting after this narrow Jeep for a long time. So I decided, well, we'll just get her a car and I'll drive hers. And that is where the pink Jeep came from. Now, one of the things that I did not know, which I guess is well known, is that the Jeep Wrangler is the Harley Davidson of cars, meaning it's very customizable. So that's fun. So I decided you guys could go with me to breakfast today. So that about the Jeep is completely beside the point. But I had to take some time shopping for the car, getting the car. Then I decided that I was going to then change her car since I was going to drive it now, do some things to make it my own. And then right when I decided that car was in a wreck. Now, I don't know when the last time you guys were at Chick-fil-A, but they have this thing, which I think is super cool, which is I can order from their app, which I do all the time, which means I have points, which means my breakfast is actually free today. But you can scan the table. There's a QR code on the table. Scan the table, tell them where you are, and they'll bring it to you. No having to stand up there in line or anything. It's great. So anyway, so now we had it where both vehicles were in a wreck. We just got done purchasing the new pink Jeep. Tuscadero is the actual color, Tuscadero Pearl. And if you know my wife, fits her personality perfectly. And then the Jeep Liberty, yes, we have two Jeeps now, was in a wreck. And so then the insurance company wanted to total it too. Now, I will tell you that I joined a class action lawsuit against Progressive and got paid because they were totaling people's cars when they shouldn't be. But beside the point, they wanted to total it. And I fought them. So I decided the amount of damage to the car was not that extensive. There's no reason for them to total it. So I decided I was going to repair it myself. And repair it I did, which again took some time. So I repaired it, got it repainted, had it lifted so that it looks more like a truck and less like a grocery getter. And if you've seen Alchemy, I like projects. So I did all kinds of customization to that Jeep. Evidently, all Jeeps can be customized. So that's where I've been, is doing those things, which took, of course, several weeks, which meant we missed several rallies. So of course I had to take the time to do that as well. Meanwhile, rally season comes and starts. And then my daughter moves back home, which is great. But something else I had to deal with. I'm also in the process of trying to move my office. And when I say office, I mean the big one that my business is held in, not the little studio at my house. So all of these things kind of start stockpiling, right? And they start getting in the way of the things that I want to do. Now, as I'm working on these Jeeps, I have another idea, which is maybe I'll start another YouTube channel for Jeeps, which my wife does not like. Running Graybeard Biker takes up a lot of my time, and a lot of the trips that we go on become, oriented around the channel and work. And she didn't want to see me videoing every single aspect of our lives where she could relax during none of them, which makes sense. That being said, I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Jeeps even have rallies. And do you know how we have hogging? If you don't remember hogging, I have an episode about it. I'll put it right here. But that idea actually started with Jeep. They do a thing called ducking, which predates hogging. But that's not what this video is about. So anyway, I guess kind of the motif behind this morning ride is things happen, they stockpile. I used to tell people that Murphy was one of my closest friends. Hey, I resemble that remark. When I first started this channel was when I first started the Alchemy project. And one of the very first things that I planned to do was to cover me customizing the bike. And I do have a lot of footage. The problem is, Murphy. And anything that could go wrong, did. And of course, then I get mad. Having to do things more than once for no apparent reason. And so a lot of that footage became me being frustrated, and then I didn't want to edit me being pissed off. So while I'll probably do something one day, it may just end up gradual videos of me doing every little thing, which was my intention. But I guess the topic of today's video is just to get everybody to come together and say, Murphy's a bitch. Tell me I'm not the only one. You guys have experience with Murphy too, right? So, bottom line, I missed out on a very good portion of this year. And with my wife changing jobs, we no longer have the freedom that we had before. Before we could take work on the road with us. Because I own my own business, I can work wherever I need. Well, now she can't do that. So it's put a hitch in our giddy-up. So this is just to kind of apologize to you guys for being absent for a while, and to let you know that I am coming back, making more content now that things have kind of calmed down. Our big rally this year is going to be Sturgis. I started a video before all of this happened with 18-wheelers. So how bikers and 18-wheelers can share the road together. So that's coming. So I appreciate you hanging in there. Those of you that support the channel, Patreon, the super thanks that we've gotten, you are noticed and appreciated. We'll keep this boat in the water. I haven't had time to seek out sponsors the way that I should. Help support the channel and help us keep doing what we're doing. But I will be going to Sturgis, so I'll be up there the entire week. Plan that well in advance. That's our big one this year. For those of you that may not know, we try to do at least one big faraway rally a year, at least one. Ride for America is coming up this next weekend, actually. So we're going to try to do that. And then we'll see what all we can get to. Don't get me started on Killer Creek Harley Davidson and the repair work on my bike. But anyway, I appreciate you joining me this morning. Not the most exciting video, but I'll take a minute and show you what the cars look like. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me again this morning. Being as it's a different time of year, maybe we'll get to do even more of these morning rides now. So if you're one of our followers that have been around a while, leave a comment below, let me know you're hanging in there. I appreciate you. If you're new, let us know that as well. Always great to see new faces, meet new people. And that's going to do it for this morning. So, as always, stay free. Keep it shiny side up.